Hello all and welcome back to my channel. If you are a regular viewer, thank you for coming back. But don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave a comment. If you are new, welcome. Please watch this video from start to finish. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe. And make sure to get yourself notified when I upload a new video. I simply wanted to come on here to share with you, my beautiful friends, the new Loreal Panoramic. I got the washable formula mascara, and I came to share with you the benefits that I found. I opened it already, and I tried it out, and I went to a beautiful party. Got nothing but compliments on my eyes. People want to know why they're so open, why they're looking so nice, why they're looking so this. It's simply because this panoramic formula, and I'm going to use this on my left eye. I have hooded eyes, so this is what I wanted to describe the adjective of eyes that I have. I have hooded eyes, and as I stated, I'm using it on my left eye, which is the most hooded of the two. And why is this mascara so special? This mascara is so special because it lifts the lashes that are hiding underneath the hood. It lifts them. It elongates them. And it certainly makes it look like I have on strip lashes. But really and truly, my beautiful friends, all I have on what I just used, what you just saw, is me use the new panoramic washable mascara from L'Oreal. I tried the previous one that simply went viral, and I wanted to see if this new panoramic adjective would work on me. So here I'm putting it on my next eye to show you once again that this is a beautiful formula, beautiful brush. It's lightweight, it's not scratchy, it's lifting my very hidden lashes and bringing them to the forefront, letting you see every single solitary lash. All y'alls with HG cameras that put it all on you and he and them will know for sure. We'll be able to see no strip lash. It is my beautiful natural lashes. I'm going to come close for you to see. See? It's all my natural lash. Natural eye, natural lashes. All natural. Well, what do you think? So, once again, I just used the L'Oreal Panoramic Washable. They have two formulas, washable and the 24-hour. I personally like washable formulas because I wear contacts and I want it very easy to get off my eyes when I don't want to wear it anymore. After I've come home from a good fete, a good bacchanal, a good kiss you, kiss me event, I want to be able to take it off, and this washable formula delivers. Have a great day, y'all. This concludes this video. So thank you for staying from start to finish. And don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, share with your friends, and to leave a comment. Thank you, and have a good one, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.